Bonjour, comment allez-vous? Je vais bien et bienvenue to French class. Today we are going to learn possessive adjective. That is adjective possessive. So tell me which are the possessive adjective in English? Yes, my, your, his, her, are, your and their. Okay, so look at the table. So before starting, let's learn some rules. So in French, we have three ways to say my, your, his, her, our, your, their. Masculine, feminine, and plural. Okay, I will explain it later. Okay, masculine, feminine, and plural. Second, in adjective possessive agree with the noun which follow. It agree with the noun which follow. Yes. For example, my book. So book is what? Livre. Correct. So here livre is masculine. So we are going to use your masculine adjective possessive because livre is masculine. So it follow noun. It follow the noun. Okay. Now the third rule is if that word is masculine, okay, then we use masculine. But if it is feminine, but it's starting with vowel or h, we are going to use masculine adjective possessive. Means a word is feminine, but if it starts with a vowel or h, we are going to use masculine adjective possessive. And the last rule, in plural, masculine and feminine adjectives are same. There is no difference. They are same for masculine and feminine. Okay. So let's start. So first, for my, masculine singular is moi, feminine singular is ma, and plural is me. So moi, ma, me for my. Okay. For your, it's ton, ta, te. For his, her, or it, son, sa, se. Okay. For our, it is notre, notre, no. For your, it's votre, votre, vo. For their, leur, leur, leur. Okay, repeat. Mon, ma, me. Ton, ta, te. Son, sa, se. Notre, notre, no. Votre, votre, vos. Leur, leur, leur. Okay. So here we have two your. So as we discussed in earlier class, one is formal, one is informal. So here you to, ta, te is informal, and votre, votre, vo is formal. Okay. So let's see one by one. First we will discuss only masculine singular. Okay. So repeat the pronunciation. Mon, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. Okay. Mon, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. Mon, ton, son, notre, votre, leur. Okay. So let's see the example. See. So first sentence is my pen is blue. So here what we are going to replace my. So after my what? It is pen. So pen. Pen means what? Stilo. So stilo, what is the gender of the stilo? It is masculine. So look at the table of my. My masculine is mo. Okay. So mo stilo. We are using masculine gender because pen is masculine. So my pen is mo stilo. Mo stilo a bleu. Okay. Now the second one. Your pen is blue. Okay. Again, we know pen is masculine, stilo is masculine. But here we are replacing your. So look at the table, your. What is the masculine for your? Ton. Correct. So ton, or if it is informal, ton, but if it is formal, then votre. So you can use both, ton or votre. It depends on the case, if it is formal or informal. So ton stylo est bleu or votre stylo est bleu. Okay. Now her pen is blue. So here her is feminine, but pen is masculine. So what we are going to do? So various times there is a confusion. But what is the rule? Adjective possessive follow the noun. So here what we are going to replace? Pen. Pen is masculine. No matter it is her or his. Pen is masculine. So we are looking at the column of her. What is the masculine? Son. So son stylo est bleu. Okay. Son stylo est bleu. But if the sentence is his pen is blue. Now his is masculine, pen is masculine, so no confusion. So his, what is the masculine form? Son. So son stylo est bleu. Okay. So according to the rule, it doesn't matter with whom that object is belong. We are just following the noun. For example, pen. So just for that you should know the gender of that object. Pen, masculine. Then gomme, gomme means eraser, feminine. Notebook, cahier, masculine. So you must know that gender. Then only you can use the adjective possessive. Okay. Now, what is the second rule? Second rule is if that word is feminine but it is starting with vowel or h, we are going to use masculine adjective possessive. Okay. So here tree. Tree means arbre. Arbre. But arbre is already masculine. So no matter it is starting with vowel or consonant. Okay. So arbre. So arbre, my tree is big. So look at the table. My masculine singular is mon. So mon arbre est grand. Okay. Arbre is masculine. So we are using mon. Mon arbre est grand. Okay. Now the second one. My school is big. So here school means école. École. École is feminine, but it is starting with vowel e. O. So as per rule, feminine starting with vowel, we are going to use masculine adjective possessive. So what is masculine adjective possessive for more? My is more. So mon école est grande. Okay. Mon école est grande. Now next. Her school is big. Okay. Her is feminine. School is feminine. So what we are going to use here? Yes. Again, école is starting with the vowel. So we are using masculine. So look at the table. Her. What is the masculine for her? Son. Okay. So son école est grande. Son école est grande. Okay. So don't forget this rule. If the word is feminine and it is starting with vowel or h, we are going to use masculine adjective possessive. Okay. Now let's see the feminine. Repeat. Let's repeat the pronunciation. Ma, for ma is ma. For your, it's ta. For her, it's sa. For our, it's notre. For here is votre. For there is leur. Okay. Ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, leur. Ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, leur. So notre, votre, leur, these three are same for masculine and feminine. Only difference between my, your and her. Say ma, ta, sa. Ma, ta, sa, notre, votre, leur. Okay. Now let's see the example. She is eating her apple. Okay. So here she is eating her apple. So apple is feminine. And so what we are going to replace? Her. So look at the table of the her. What is feminine? Sa. So elle mange sa pomme. Elle mange sa pomme. Okay. Now second, he is eating his apple. See again, we know apple is feminine. Though it is his, her, his is masculine. But what is the rule? We have to follow the noun, that object after his. Okay, so his is masculine. Still, we are going to use the feminine form. So we are using sa for replacing his. Look at the table. His. What is the feminine form? It's sa. Okay. So il mange sa pomme. Il mange sa pomme. Next, he is eating my apple. He is eating my apple. Again, apple, pomme is feminine. But my, how to replace my with feminine? Ma. Look at the table, ma. So the sentence, il mange ma pomme. Okay, il mange ma pomme. Now the next, her chair is brown. Her chair is brown. Now here, chair is feminine. Okay, listen carefully. Chair is feminine, but it is not starting with the vowel. It is starting with the consonant. See, shades. Chair is shades. See, so that's why we are using feminine adjective possessive, because shades is feminine. It is not starting with the vowel. So, sa shades a broom. Not saw shades. Sa shades. Sa shades a broom. Okay. Now next, her school is big. Again, school. What is the word for school? École. Correct. And what is the gender of the école? Feminine. Correct. But it is starting with vowel o. So we are going to use which adjective possessive? Masculine. So son école est grande. Okay. Son école est grande. Okay. Now there is a quiz. Let's solve the quiz. Pierre a un sac. So Pierre has a sack. Say dash sack. Here you are replacing his. His. Now sack is what? What is the gender of the sack? Sack is masculine. So look at the table. His masculine is what? Son. So Pierre a un sac. Say son sac. His sack. Okay. Next. Les enfants ont les portables. Les enfants ont les portables. It means the children have mobiles. So what we are going to replace here? Ce sont dash portable. There. We want to replace there. So these are their mobiles. There. So here, look at the table. What is the answer? Leur. See, mobile is plural. So we are putting S here. Leur portable. Ce sont leurs portables. Okay. Last. Il mange banane. Banane. Now what is the gender of the banane? Banane. He is eating banana. Banana is feminine. Though it is his banana, banana is feminine. So what we are going to use? Sa banan. Il mange sa banan. Okay. So for adjective possessive, for using adjective possessive, you must know the gender of that object. First word. Then according to that gender, look at the table and then use the adjective possessive. If it is masculine, singular, use masculine. If it is feminine, but not starting with vowel, you use feminine. But if it is starting with vowel and it is feminine, then use masculine adjective possessive. Okay. So you have to follow this rule for using this adjective possessive. If you like this video, please subscribe and Power Tutorial. Thank you. Merci.